Hello guys, JP from JP's Pet Nation. Hope you're doing absolutely amazing. So sorry guys, I've not been available on here for the past 2 weeks. I have been putting some short videos out, but I've not really got any other videos coming out yet. I'll be honest with you, some crazy stuff's been going off in life at the moment. As anyone who follows on social media like Instagram, links going to be down here now. You will know that obviously my car window was smashed, so I've been sorting that out. So yeah, it's been a busy couple of weeks, but I'm back today, new video. Cannot wait to show you guys. We're heading over to the farm now. This is only quite a small farm. Got some reptiles there, some farm animals. I don't want to give it too much away. So let's head over there now, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment downstairs. Let me know how your day's been. Tell me something about your beautiful face. I love hearing from you guys. Right, with all that said, let's get on to today's video now. I'll see you at the end. Okay guys, that was a tour of the animals. I just want to end this video with these hermit crabs. Let me know in the comment what you think about this enclosure. In my opinion, it's not the best, but let me know in the comments down below what you think about this enclosure, and if you keep hermit crabs yourself. Also, let's head over to the reptile room now and see the bearded dragon. I just wanted to do a quick chat on this one. Obviously, bearded dragons make excellent first choice reptiles. They're very chilled and a nice sized lizard. Hopefully you liked today's video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. I'm sorry it's short, but I'll see you next Monday at 2 PM UK time with another video. Bye for now.